Hey friends, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Prasad and you are watching the channel Discover More. And today we are going to discuss about some head and sales tax and best problems. So friends, quickly let's go. So friends, before going to the topic, we have to know what is VAT and what is the sales tax. So friends, let me remind you something that if you didn't see the previous part, the part 1 to part 8 video, then you can click on the link right here and you can go to that part, and then this part will be easy for you. So let's go. So first thing, we have to know what is VAT and what is sales tax. So we have to first know what is VAT and what is sales tax and what is the basic difference between them. And okay, we have to know that. First thing is the VAT. VAT's full form is value added tax. Okay, what is the full form VAT? It is value added tax. This is the value added tax. This is the full form of VAT, value added tax. And it is a tax, okay, that is added at each transfer of goods from original manufacturer to the final customer. That means value added tax is calculated upon each stages. Okay, so it is calculated from the manufacturer, okay, manufacturer to customer. It is calculated customer, okay. And the next thing is that VAT is calculated on the mark price. Okay, it is most important that it is calculated upon the list price or the marked price, list price or the marked price. Okay, it is calculated upon the list price or the mark price. So first thing, what is VAT? VAT is value added tax, and it is calculated upon each step when it goes from manufacturer to the customer. And VAT is calculated on the list price by applying the the rate of tax as applicable. Then next we go to the what is sales tax. Okay, sales tax is an indirect tax. VAT is the direct tax and sales tax is an indirect tax. It is an indirect tax that is imposed by the government on the public. Okay, and sales taxes are different for different items, and it also vary from state to state. For example, okay, on mobile phones, this may be sales tax is 10%. Okay, on any furniture households, this may be 5 to 6 percentage. This is not the correct figure, but this is a clear vision that you can easily understand, because sales tax can vary from the items to items and also vary from state to state, and usually the rates are changed at the time of annual budgets. Every annual budget, it is also changes. And sales tax, and the most important part is it is calculated upon the selling price. Sell tax is calculated upon the selling price, whereas VAT is calculated upon the marked price or the list price. So quickly let me revise once. What is VAT? What is sales tax? VAT full form is value added tax. Okay, it is calculated upon each step when it goes from manufacturer to the customer, and it is always calculated upon the marked price or the list price. And sell tax is the indirect tax. Okay, it vary from items to items. Okay, it varies, and also from state to state. For example, for Odisha it is 10%, maybe for UP it is 8% or 12%. This may vary, and it is also decided upon every annual budget. It decided on that. And sell tax is calculated upon the selling price. This is the basic difference. I think you understand. Then do some examples. So friends, after we know about the concept part, let's do some examples. So first thing we have to do the question reading. Okay, Saloni bought a microwave at the list price of 18,400 if the rate of VAT was 8%. Find the amount she had to pay for microwave. So as I always say that first we have to note it down what it is given. Saloni bought a microwave at the list price of 18,400. So list price, so this is the, you can say mark price is 18,400. 18,400. Okay. And if the rate of VAT was 8%, so VAT is given here 8%. So mark price is given, VAT is given. So we have to find out the amount she had to pay for microwave. As you know, VAT is what? VAT is always added to the mark price and always calculated upon also mark price. So VAT will be 8% of the mark price, that is 18,400. So 8% means 8 by 100 into 18,400. So 20 got cancelled. So 8 into 184. It will be 4 into 8. 32. Okay, 18 into 8 to 1. Okay, so 147. Right. So 1472 is my VAT. So the question is that we have to find out the amount she had to pay for microwave. So you can write it that hence the amount she had to pay for the microwave is equal to mark price plus the VAT. So here we have mark price is 18,400 plus VAT we find out 1472. So doing the addition we get 19,872 is my answer. Okay, so this will be your traditional method. So now we have to go the tricks that can be used for solving this within 10 to 15 seconds. So as I already said that we have to take mark price as 100%. So let's take mark price is equal to 100%. And here given VAT is 8%. So the amount she had to pay, okay, the pay amount will be what? VAT is always added to the mark price. So 100% plus 8%. So 100% plus 8% will be 108%. So we have taken mark price as 100% and we have given that mark price is 18,400. So we can write also like this: 100% is equal to 18,400. So we have to find out what is 108%. Then we will get our answer. So how can we do that? By cross multiplication. How? 18,400. Okay, let me just do it. 18,400 is multiplied with 108 and it will divided by 100. I think this method I already told you million times. So 20 got cancelled and so we get 184 into 108. So doing this multiplication we got 19,870. This is your answer. If you have school exams, you're gonna do this like, okay. If you have MCQ, a multiple choice question, then you can do this method. Okay, these are two. This is also easy. This is also easy, but this is little bit time taking. But this is your direct answer. You have to find out, because you have to do just two steps. These two steps you have to do. You know 100% equal to 18,400. Find 108%. This is your answer. So this is your example number 1. So quickly go to the next question. So friends, if you in case find out some MCQ question, then you have to just write two things. That 108% is equal to 540. You have to find out what is 100%. Just these two lines and you will get your answer. So I think this is easy. So quickly go to the next question. Example number 3. So friends, if you in case find out some MCQ question, then you have to just write two things. That 108% is equal to 540. You have to find out what is 100%. Just these two lines and you will get your answer. So I think this is easy. So quickly go to the next question. Example number 3. So friends, here is your example 3. It is said that the least price of an item is 2,500. If Rini paid 350 as VAT for it, find the rate of VAT. Rate of VAT is nothing but the percentage VAT. So as you know, the VAT is VAT or VAT, I don't know. So VAT is calculated upon the list price. So percentage VAT can be written as VAT divided by the mark price or the list price, you can say, multiplied with 100. So I think all the values are given here. Just put the values, get the answer. So percentage VAT equal to VAT divided by mark price multiplied with 100. So VAT is what? 350 rupees VAT. Okay. Divided by mark price is 2500 or 2500 multiplied with 0 into 100, and this will be in the percentage format. Okay, percentage format. So 2020 got cancel, and let it be cancelled by 5. 5 is a 25, 5 7 is 35, 0. Okay, for 5 1s are 5 1s are 14. Okay, 5 1s are 5 4, 5 1s are 5 2, 5 4s. Okay, so it will be 14 percentage. This will be your rate of VAT or the percentage VAT. Okay, quickly go to the next one. So friends, here is your example number 4. So question is, Anu purchased a watch for rupees 540. If the rate of sales tax is 10%, find the total amount she will pay to the shopkeeper. Okay, this is a question about sales tax. As you know, sales tax is an indirect tax and it is always calculated upon the selling price. So the first thing, that what is given, we have to note it down. Anu purchases a watch for rupees 540. He purchases a watch is for. So friends, here is your example number 4. So question is, Anu purchased a watch for rupees 540. If the rate of sales tax is 10%, find the total amount she will pay to the shopkeeper. Okay, this is a question about sales tax. As you know, sales tax is an indirect tax and it is always calculated upon the selling price. So the first thing, that what is given, we have to note it down. Anu purchases a watch for rupees 540. He purchases a watch is for 540. That means it 540 is the cost price for Anu, but it is the selling price for the shopkeeper. So we can say selling price is equal to 540 and this selling price is for the shopkeeper. Okay, selling price is 540 and the sales tax is 10%. So sales tax is 10%. As I already said, the sales tax is always calculated upon the selling price. So I can say sales tax will be what? 10% of the selling price, that is 540. So 10% means 10 by 100, of means multiplication 540. So 2020 got cancelled. So we got sales tax is 54. So the total amount she will pay to the shopkeeper. So the total amount she will pay to the shopkeeper is the selling price plus the sales tax. The selling price plus the sales tax. Selling price is 540 rupees plus the sales tax is 54 rupees. So we got 4 9, so 594 is our answer. So this is the end of question example number 4. So quickly go to the next one. So here is your last example of this part. The cost of a washing machine is 17,440 inclusive of sales tax. If the rate of sales tax is 9%, what is the mark price or the list price of the washing machine? I think this type of question I already discussed in the example number 2. So you can also see that. So as you know, mark price is always taken as 100%. Okay. And here sales tax is 9%. So sales tax is equal to 9%. So we can say that, okay. And our cost price is given here. And our cost price is given here. So my selling price will be what? Selling price will be marked price plus the sales tax, that is 100% plus 9%. So that will be 109%. But it is given that sell price is 17,440. So we can write that 109% is, so my selling price will be what? Selling price will be marked price plus the sales tax, that is 100% plus 9%. So that will be 109%. But it is given that sell price is 17,440. So we can write that 109% is equal to 17,440, and it is asked that what is the mark price. Mark price is 100 percentage. So 100 percentage will be, just by doing the cross multiplication we can get the answer, into 100 divided by 109. By solving this we get 16,000 as my answer. So here the mark price or the list price will be 16,000 rupees. So friends, this is the end of this part 9. Later, the last part, profit and loss part 10, will be based upon this VAT and sales tax, but that will be my exercise part. So friends, do subscribe our channel for more updates, and you can also get the direct link to your phone. This is our officially WhatsApp number. You have 05310492. You have to type subscribe message and send it to this WhatsApp number, and you can get the direct link to your phone. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It is very important. do like, comment, and the last thing, share with your friends. Thank you so much.